how to link a button to a page in Wix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to create a button and link it to a specific page that you have on your website. So first things first, of course, you can easily add a button into your Wix page by clicking on add elements over here on the left side. And over here under buttons, you have all kinds of buttons that you can add. After that, after you now have your button over here, simply select this or double click it and click on over here. As you can see, you will be able to see links to. Simply select this and you will be able to change a specific page that it is going to link to, as you can see here. So make sure that it's connected or selecting the page option over here, and then simply select the specific page of your website that you want. Click done, and now that page will officially always redirect to that page that you have attached on that specific button. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.